Hey guys. Okay, so here we got Super 0.7 Super High Polymer Pentel HB. So I'm gonna do that one first. It's the lightest. So we got, let's see, HB Pentel. Pretty good. Let's see, so this is the Super. Polymer. So let's check the shading with this one. So we got a circle. Yeah. Okay. There we go. That's the full scale. So yeah, I really have to kind of put some pressure to where it starts making even shades up there, I believe. Try again. Make your hair. They look like dumplings. Okay, so yeah. Do your directional shading with this dumpling. You get the dumpling eyes. There we go. He's jazzed, he's a dumpling. I like that. Okay. So anyway, he's got 5 o'clock shadow or something. He's a dumpling. Draw another dumpling. See if we can do. See, that's just the hard line itself. It's pretty dark. So if I was to do maybe like a square, show you how dark this gets. And go square. He's doing the boogie. He's dancing. So let's try this again with like the same thing over here. Let's see if we try again. Very light pressure. It's kind of hard to do because it goes to immediately wants to go to that darker shade. So there you go. HB 0.7 millimeter Pentel. That was the high polymer super high polymer. Can't see it. There it is. So the next one I got this in the mail today. We got here 0.72B. This is a shade darker than HB. Then I got this new pen. It's got some pretty good weight towards the end of it, which I really enjoy actually. I've been messing with it. Let's try it with this darker lead. So we got 2B. This would be the Neox. High quality graphite. Yeah, this is some, I think it's like $4 per one of these, which is pretty pricey, so. But I am really enjoying it so far. It's been really nice. This is also the 0.7 thickness of lead. Draw another dumpling if I can get. There we go. So light shading with this one, I do find that it breaks if I click it 3 times, maybe 4 times actually. Let's give it a try. I think I did it twice. So that's 4. Yeah, that's not a good example, but This paper is really toothy. I'm gonna try it on some smooth paper in a second. But let's see here. That's as light as I can do. Do the circles. Adding more pressure. As you can see, there's not really much for shading. I mean, if you were to draw someone's upper lip, you would do a Napoleon Dynamite and give him a mustache. I don't know, we could try doing another shading. Let's see, I'm just gonna freehand it, do my thing. Just going over layers. Pretty dark, pretty dark. Let's see what the square guy has to say. Whoa! Whoa, wait a minute. Yeah, I would say it's some crumblies here. Yeah, I'd say that's pretty dark. I'll just do one big long line. I'll give that one a while for amazing. I like it. I like it. So yeah, that's the 0.72B using this here Draftmatic, which I'm enjoying. And of course, all these pencils have their interchangeable erasers that usually do really well in pencils. I haven't tried this one much, but erasing on this paper is not easy to do. If you were to see, because it's so toothy, it hangs on to these. I don't know. That's pretty nice, but it's not going to get completely gone. It might even work, especially in these darker areas. It's pretty cool though, especially for sketching. Do a drag through here. So it kind of smears the erase. It's a good way to, I don't know, really clean up edges and shape forms, make this more boxy. Mess with shapes. So I'll do this with this one as well. I'm not one for higher grades. This one erases very well, like no problem. Especially in this toothy paper. I'm sure if I rubbed it in to the fibers more, it won't want to erase. Or maybe I'm wrong. It's really getting out of the teeth. It's not bad. I know that the harder you push in, it goes into the fibers. Especially these dark areas here, for us to clean up this little spot. There's definitely going to be that residue. But you know what? We're sketching, we don't care. Okay. So we're going to move on to the next guy over here. Alright, we got 0.54B. This is also Neox. This is that $4 lead that I was talking about. This is a smaller size, so even if the lead is dark, it's gonna look a little bit lighter if you space out lines. So let's draw a potato, or yeah, let's do a potato. It's a potato shape right there. Give him some legs, some arms and legs. Here, man. Give him some eyeballs. He's like, Alright, turning out to be some dark lead. So we'll try another potato. Let's do our regular test here, because, oh, by the way, I'm just gonna write it up here. 0.5. Let's see, this is 4B. It's supposed to be darker than this previous one, which I can see a difference, which is weird. I have to draw a little square guy over here, actually. Getting ahead of ourselves. It's all good. He's just chilling with his new friend, Potato Man. Yep, very, very dark. And smooth. Both of these are way smoother than, I would say, Pentel. I wonder if they're higher, their lighter grades are just as smooth, which I bet they are. So this pen, it's another Pentel pen, but I like it. It's kind of like a fidget kind of pen. Really annoying for other people, but not for you. We'll just do a couple clicks. Let's see if we can do the light shading with this. I can tell why I have more grades for 0.5. As I'm getting more familiar. I don't know, maybe it's some kind of globe with trees and some birds. Forest back there. Tiny sketches are fun and underrated. There's so much you can get done in little tiny sketches. Yeah, significantly different than this one. Very, very dark. You can kind of see if we were to take these dudes together, we'd be having a dance party. You know. Maybe I'll give this guy a hat this time. He brought a hat this time. Cool dude. Maybe a bow tie. Howdy, y'all. Ready to get down. Let's see if I can bring this a little bit more towards the light there. Do you see a difference? There's gotta be. I don't know. Both very dark. Both smooth though. I like how smooth it is. 3 clicks, let's do 4 clicks. See if it's strong. Go from dark to light. Why not? Do a couple more layers here. Oh, I went too far out there. Not bad. Not bad. Smudgy, sure. Toothy, absolutely. Let's see here. Try to shape this line here and erase it. This one's getting pretty good in the teeth here. Yeah, my topper's always dancing around. Always flop around the paper. Not bad, not bad. I did just move it with my finger, but it's very. You can get some pretty cool blending with these. Just to blend this one from dark to light here. It's a nice effect. We're doing pretty well. I like it. What else was I gonna try with these? Yeah, so here we are. The 0.5 4B. This is also a Neox. See, it broke at 4. I think plenty of pressure there. That was about two clicks. Oh, broke again. Getting too much pressure. This writing utensil, I can already tell that a 0.5 is not a greater writing utensil than a 0.7 with any lead, I think. Very brittle, very tiny, not brittle. Just a fair amount of pressure is just gonna knock it off. So, alright, next test. You can see here, we got this, we know this. That's cool. But, let's try them as more of a writing tool, like I just mentioned here. So, let's pick a phrase. Here, this journal. This is some smooth paper. And then, sorry, I just saw something funny. Here we go, let's pick a phrase. I saw something funny. I've seen something funny. I'm gonna say, wow. 0.7 HB. That didn't go smooth, but yeah, no, let's try the next one. I just went from like left brain to right brain, or right brain to left brain, however that works. So, here comes the 0.7 2B Neox. So strong, just writes great. No drag. I get a lot of drag with these here. The Pentel, like I mentioned before. This is super high polymer. I don't know, man. These Neox are really enjoyable. Okay. But as for the 0.7, how's it gonna do with the 0.5? 2B. Whoops, sorry. So let's see how this jots down. Not too bad. It didn't break like I thought it would. I guess it could if it was out further. give it a try. So, oh, yep, see, 2 clicks. It's like Be Kind Rewind. I say 2 clicks. You're good to go. It doesn't rhyme, but that works. Like that, 2 clicks. You're good to go. Alright. I think that is pretty good. I have to say, I really like these darker shades. It does write really well. I'm gonna try the HB of the NEX as well. Maybe I should write that down. HB NEX. Alright. Well, thank you for watching my pencil video. Y'all have a good day.